Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the model line, detail line and the reference line. What would be the model line, the detail line and reference line when we have to use and all. In previous video, I have modeled four different types of the ropes. So most probably it's some basics things only, but still few people are not aware about how to find out the ropes, how to find out the rope and just and all. So if you are not still not watch the video, please go to that video and come back with this particular video. Okay. So yes, then we are going to start this topic today. So this today topic is about the detail line, model line, and reference line. In most of the interview questions, they are asked what would be the difference between these types. So I will go with one by one. Detail line. So what would be the detail line here? Detail line is nothing but a 2D line. So before that, I will try to hide these things. Okay. So detail line is nothing but a 2D line. Okay, what are the things that you can draw in the particular sheet or the particular view or the particular drafting view? It will appear here. Okay, so these are the detail lines here. In the line tab, there will be the many lines are available, and you can go through those things and you can change the properties as well. And again, you can create the detail line as well. I will try to explain in the other videos how we can create the detail line and all. Okay, today we'll try to focus on these things. Okay, and see, detail line is nothing but the 2D line. Okay, so just remember these things. Then what about model line? So where we can find the model line? What is the command for the detail line? DL is the shortcut key where we can find in the annotation category. Okay, here is the option called detail line. In details we'll get the detail line and the shortcut is DL. Okay. Okay, then let me take this snapshots here. Yeah, see, detail line, it's a 2D line. So I will try to explain in this particular thing. Okay, this is the 2D line, and we will get the shortcut is a DL is the shortcut key. Okay, DL is the shortcut key. Okay, so this is clear. I hope it's clear as well. Then what would be the model line? So how we can use the model line? So model line is nothing but the 3D line. It will appear in everywhere. See this. It's a detail line. You cannot view the selection box. Okay, but in the model line we can see the selection box here. See this. This is the line. Correct. It is visible in 3D section and everything. So even you can change this option as well. Okay. So is it clear? So these are the things can be visible in 3D as well. See this. The where we can find architecture, and here is the option called model line in model, and here we can find the model lines clearly. Okay. This is the model line. This is the 3D line. Then what we miss, then what would be the shortcut key? Is the shortcut key is nothing but when you click here, it's a LI is the shortcut key line LI. Okay, then this is the shortcut key. It is visible in the all the views. Okay, so make sure that when you are explaining to someone, you should explain in such a manner it would be understandable and it would be clear as well. Then again, when it comes to the reference line, what is reference line? Reference line is kind of the line. It will give the it will when we use this reference line only for the reference purpose. So let's say an example. If I want to add a reference for all the views, so what I can do is I will add one reference line here, like somewhere like this. So it will be visible in the all the views as well. Then it's also having a 3D. Okay, 3D views. Okay, so it will be visible in all the views except 3D. In 3D, it's not visible, but it's visible in the levels as well. Okay, so see this. See, in 3D the reference line is not visible. Okay, So sometimes it's visible based on the work, then the some other categories as well. Okay, so these are the reference line. So only for the reference purpose we can draw, but it will visible in the all the levels. If you go with the site, see here, it's a site plan. Okay, the same thing and the level one also, then same thing in the level one also. In all the view, the reference plane is visible. So here reference line. Okay, these are the reference line is visible in all the views. Only for the reference purpose we will draw the line. Okay, so I hope it's also clear. Then, so it's a reference line. It's a uh, uh, we cannot call it a 3D line. It's a reference line. Okay, RP is the shortcut key. Reference plane, RP is the shortcut key. Okay, we can use only for the reference purpose. I hope these things are clear, guys. Today's video, the only thing is the detail line, then the model line, and the uh, uh, reference line. These are the three different lines visible in the Revit. So I'm assuming that it's clear. Then we'll try to explain more in the next video. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Please to subscribe, share, and support. Thank you very much.